Hey guys, it's your quirky makeup artist friend Cat Sketch here. Today we are gonna do a makeup transformation of a body painting in the face of something I've wanted to do for a while, ever since I saw the trailer for it, of the brand new Joker played by Joaquin Phoenix, who I'm a huge fan of. I can't wait to start this makeup and watch the movie. It looks so good. So we're gonna do a face paint and a body painting. So let's get started. And of course, as always, I need to tell you guys I am not naked. I just have a tube top thing on because we're gonna do, like I said, a body painting. And I'm gonna put a wig on, so I have a wig cap with me. This makeup seems so simple, but I wanted to body paint the outfit because finding the exact shirt and the tones of the reds and the greens and the mustard yellows of his outfit is gonna be super tough, even if I'm filming in Texas and go thrifting. So let's see. So to prep my skin, I'm gonna put some face primer on. This is the e.l.f. putty that's like the dupe to the Tatcha. Just to make sure that our pores aren't super showing through, so that we have a nice face base for the white cream paint to go smoothly on, hopefully. And this is the moment where I realized I forgot to get eyebrow glue stick cover. So I'm just gonna paint over my eyebrows. Nice. I'm just using this universal white paint from Makeup Forever to do the base, to cover the eyebrows first. Oh, that works. Because I feel like Joaquin Phoenix, his character in the movie, he doesn't probably cover his eyebrow with glue stick or really care to. So once that's on, I'm just getting this white aqua paint from Mayron, and I'm just stippling that on my face to get some good coverage. I like using the aqua paint because it's not as sticky, and as you can see, I use that on my brows to block it, because aqua paint won't really block your eyebrows like cream paint will. Random fact that I found out about dupes to Beauty Blender that aren't Beauty Blender: you can't use these on other clients. They can only be used for yourself, because Beauty Blender is the only sponge with the right amount of porous technology, I feel like, where you could properly and sanitarily rewash them to use on clients, but you could use these ones on yourself. And I never knew that until recently. Let's bring that down. See, I feel like the aqua paints just gives a more beautiful, even finish than cream paints does sometimes on the face. But this one will if you warm it up with your fingertips well enough. It's just really thick and heavy compared to aqua paint. All right, now that you have an even base, I'm gonna get some powder to powder on my face to make sure that this doesn't go anywhere and doesn't crease. I look terrifying. Okay, now for the blueness of his eyes, I just took my Makeup Forever Flash palette and I did equal parts of this teal and this blue color with a little bit of green, and I got this color to hopefully match the drippy blue eye he has of those triangles. That reminds me of Ronald McDonald and really scares me half to death. So we're gonna start with this blue eye right here and bring it up to really look terrifying. And this is the eye, I feel like, where we're gonna do that drip mark, where it goes like this. I feel like it's a little roughly done how he did his makeup, so if you do this super messy, it doesn't really matter. All right, now time for the red smile and all the red parts. I'm gonna get the red cream paint from my Makeup Forever palette again, and I'm gonna start doing the red parts of the makeup. I feel like it looks smeared a little bit. Like, it almost looks like he was taking it off a little. It kind of reminds me of the last It makeup I did on this channel. Oh, now it's starting to really look scary. You want to make it look like you just ate the souls of people you don't like and the blood smeared all over your face. That's what clowns remind me of. They're so sadistic and sad that they have to paint this on their face to make themselves look happy, or what they think is happy. If you're afraid of clowns, I'm sorry. Now we're just gonna bring that blue down more, and we're gonna make this red a little more messy here. Now I feel like I'm gonna contour just a little bit on his face because he has some shadow going on, like right here on his cheekbone. Joaquin Phoenix has got some cheekbones, so let's try to recreate that a little bit. Now that you look like your boyfriend just cheated on you and you're trying to get payback to surprise him as a clown, it is time to do the body painting. We are gonna get the redness first because there's so much of it. Getting the biggest paintbrush I could find and bring. It's so big, it's bigger than my eye. Getting some red aqua paint, just solid red, and then I'm gonna do details of darker red, but we're getting the solid, just bright red first. And we're gonna start painting the outfit. That's Skippy. We need more water. Or maybe I'm just becoming a skinny queen and my collarbones are showing too much now. Let's think of that. This is hard. I feel like I'm painting blood on myself. Okay, now I'm just gonna get a darker red with the aqua paint and do the details of this jacket. The color I'm using is like an aged blood and just little tiny stitch marks. We really want to do some detail on this to make it look super cool. Okay, now I'm gonna get some mustard yellow paint and start painting his inner, he has like this vest. Honestly, if this was like a female outfit, suit situation with like a skirt, I would totally wear it. These colors are giving me definite more Ronald McDonald vibes. Now that we have mustard painting on his chest, I'm gonna get some deep dark forest green aqua paint for his nice shirt. Oh yeah, there, that's the color. More of a teal. Why is this color giving me Minecraft realness? I am in love with these colors. I don't know why that they are also reminded me of the interior decorating of the Friends set, but they are. Now with the deeper darker green, I'm gonna go in and do the detail of this shirt. He has like a collared dress shirt and I'm just giving some shadow and dimension with the darker green. Now it's time to get some grays and black matte eyeshadow. Let's start off with some gray with a blending brush. The same gray that we used to do the contour. I'm gonna start coloring in certain parts of the outfit to give it some depth, dimension, to really make it look like it's clothing and not just a flat chest with paint on it. Continuing that, I'm gonna get a push liner brush and really get some detail on this shirt collar with the same gray color. If you're gonna do this look for Halloween, you don't have to do all this. I should have told you earlier, you don't have to paint all this, you just get the costume. I'm sure by the time Halloween rolls around, there will be costumes of this. Or you could just get like a red sports coat with a green button up at a thrift store. That would be great. I love those types of outfits where you could just, you know, DIY. I love a good DIY. I think it's good to use darker colors of grays instead of straight up black for shadows, unless the outfit or whatever you're shadowing is really dark. But since these are such bright, vibrant colors, I feel like I'm using this color Smoke by Tarte. It's like a cool tone brown gray. That works really well, I feel like, for stuff like this. We're getting places, friends. I'm trying to really make this stand out. Look like Joaquin Phoenix Joker. We really want to like shave down the sides of the sports coat because it's gonna make his shoulder look more broad, and since I'm not a man and I don't have as broad as shoulders, even though for a female I do, I'm giving the illusion of this sports jacket having like shoulder pads or broader shoulders or a cut to it that's more masculine. All right, now I'm gonna dip into some matte black eyeshadow with another blending brush. Good thing I brought 5 million blending brushes with me. I'm also gonna get a thin brush with black aqua paint to do detail of outlines. All right, now that you think you have enough shadowing, we're gonna do some major detail. You don't have to do this is crazy. You could honestly just get clothing and do the detail on his outfit because his shirt is definitely has some sort of white design patterns on it. This reminds me of the color scheme of my favorite TV show of all time, which is Pushing Daisies. I'm gonna get some of that black eyeshadow to put around my eyes too, just to give more dimension and shadow, and around the lips. Alright guys, now it's time for this wig. I got a green short wig that's a little too bright and shiny, but we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna wet her. Make it rain on the wig. I have to make her look drenched. Joker came through drippin'. Sponsored by Evian. Kidding. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup transformation of me turning into the Joker played by Joaquin Phoenix in the brand new adaptation of the Joker. I can't wait to see it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Leave a comment down below on what videos you guys would want to see next for this Halloween season. I am pumped and ready to do some Halloween videos. We're doing 2 videos a week or more. We will see. Subscribe for more videos on this channel, 2 videos a week. Thank you so much for hanging out. Now it's time for me to take this off. Oh, the whole wig came off. The wig was snatched. Let me drive around down in Texas like this. No, I would definitely get shot. Let me see if I could take this off. This was so much fun. I just don't want to get hurt. I can't believe we did it without the, I was scared because we didn't have the glue stick, that we wouldn't be able to make it look authentic enough. But I feel like the Joaquin Phoenix Joker, he didn't have his eyebrows snatched down with some cover up or glue or anything like that. Man, I forgot how good these Neutrogena makeup remover wipes were. I hate the smell of them. I absolutely despise the smell of them, so I never buy them unless I'm like in a rush in traveling like I am now. So they really do work and they don't burn or sting or anything. Yes, Neutrogena, sponsor your girl. Let me just go to a store like this, like Whataburger, and see if they'll like say anything about my outfit. No, I shouldn't. I'm too scared. Not to get into politics, but I am in a red state and I don't want to get hurt. I hope my hands aren't permanently dyed blood red. This is taking a long time to get off. So I hope I didn't scare anybody who's afraid of clowns. It's too late now. Have a spooky night. I'll see you later, creators. I love y'all. Bye.